Right. Hello. I have given the whole underpart of the body a coat of primer, red oxide, yeah. The wings too, the underplate and that cover for the backlight. Actually, that thing goes in there, covering that. So yeah, that's it. Basically, we got to this point where you have it. Everything is bare metal, and if you leave it for long, it starts getting surface rust. So you need to give it a coat of that, regardless of if you still need to fix stuff like that or stuff like that. I'll just, if I have to weld anything, I'll rub the area off, weld it, and then. But it's mostly done. That's a new piece. Mostly all of it is done, and the rest is just filling and then spraying with filler.
Yes, the king of rock and roll himself. Thank you very much. That is Elvis. That is a terrible, terrible impression. Elvis.
See you later, mates.